The Global Week to Act for UN SDGs is an annual mobilization moment that aims to inspire collective action from international organizations and individuals around the world. The Sustainable Development Goals are a call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. SDG 4 calls for inclusive and equitable quality education and lifelong learning opportunities for all. This means that everyone, regardless of their background or circumstances, should have access to a quality education that enables them to reach their full potential. LPU Cavite's Alternative Learning System (ALS) is a response to Sustainable Development Goal 4, which calls for inclusive and equitable quality education and lifelong learning opportunities for all.
The ALS program, or the Alternative Learning System, is an initiative of the Philippine Department of Education. It covers a curriculum for the elementary and secondary, and it includes subjects like science, mathematics, Filipino, and English. The objectives of the ALS program is to provide accessible and flexible way of learning for those who cannot enroll in the formal classroom setting, and this may cover primarily mga dropouts from elementary and secondary schools, or even the working group, or even senior citizens who have not completed basic education. Here at LPU, we provide the learning center. We provide teaching and learning materials like textbooks and the modules and all other learning materials that are necessary for their studies. And of course, we provide volunteer teachers.
How did LPU Cavite's ALS program help you?
Natulungan ako nito gawa ng dagdagan na bumalik ulit yung mga kalaman na gusto kong malaman at gusto ko pa ulit madagdagan iba para sa pangarap na gusto kong makamtan. Batang matanda, ate kuya, sa mga taong gustong makapagtapos, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Dahil may ALS program pa para sa atin para maabot natin ang mga pangarap na gusto natin makamtan.